In this video, we will discuss a 1-minute Forex scalping strategy using the sniper entry technique. The 1-minute Forex scalping strategy is quite effective and profitable. Additionally, this scalping strategy is very easy to use, even if you are a beginner trader. Therefore, make sure you stay on this channel until the end. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. This 1-minute scalping strategy only uses two of the best free indicators from TradingView. To use it, you can access TradingView. In this example, we'll use the USD-JPY pair. First, set the pair to USD-JPY and set the time frame to 1 minute. Then, go to the Search Indicator tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type Parabolic SAR and select the default Parabolic SAR from TradingView. Next, enter the Parabolic SAR indicator settings. Leave the settings at default in the Input tab, then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, adjust the color of the Parabolic SAR according to your preference and make sure it's clearly visible. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. In this 1-minute scalping strategy, we'll use the Parabolic SAR indicator for 3 functions: as a trend guide in the market, to place orders, and to set stop losses. If the price candlestick is above the Parabolic SAR point, it indicates a bullish trend, and will place an order at the beginning of the Parabolic SAR point. Conversely, if the price candlestick is below the Parabolic SAR, it indicates a bearish trend. We'll place a sell order at the beginning of the Parabolic SAR point. Now, let's add the second indicator to be used as a guide for entry signals in the market. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type Williams percent range. Select the default Williams percent range from TradingView. Next, enter the Williams percent range indicator settings. In the Input tab, change the length of the indicator to 140. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, adjust the color of %R according to your preference. Change the upper band number to -5 and the lower band number to -95. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. If the %R line is above the -5 level, it indicates that the price has entered the overbought area. At this point, you'll look for potential points to place sell orders. Conversely, if the %R line is below the -95 level, it indicates that the price has entered the oversold area. At this point, you'll look for potential points to place buy orders. Now, let's discuss how to place orders using this 1-minute scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. 1. If the %R line is already below the -95 level, prepare to find the best point to place a buy order. 2. Then, wait for the %R line to move out of the -95 level upwards. 3. Once the %R line has moved out and is moving upwards, wait for the Parabolic SAR point to shift and be below the price candlestick. 4. If the Parabolic SAR point is below the price candlestick, ensure that the formed candlestick is bullish. 5. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. 6. Place a stop loss at the Parabolic SAR point. 7. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. 1. If the %R line is already above the -5 level, prepare to find the best point to place a sell order. 2. Then, wait for the %R line to move out of the -5 level downwards. 3. Once the %R line has moved out and is moving downwards, wait for the Parabolic SAR point to shift and be above the price candlestick. 4. If the Parabolic SAR point is above the price candlestick, ensure that the formed candlestick is bearish. 5. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. 6. Place a stop loss at the Parabolic SAR point. 7. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Remember to maintain your money management and trading psychology. That's it for this video, and see you in the next one.